So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here on VistaCreate. So once you have the VistaCreate application opened up or you're on the website, simply just add some text into your design. So go to the left-hand side of your screen here, press on text, then add text, or go to the top, press on text. It does the exact same thing, but so for demonstration, I will just type in the word italicize. I'll then make it a little bit larger in font size so you guys can see it a little bit easier. Now, if you want to italicize this, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text, open up this top bar. Right beside the B, there's this sort of I that's on a slant. Press on this option right here, and now it italicizes it. If you want to undo it, press on the same thing, and it makes it go back to normal. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to italicize text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.